Well, hello. Please don't be upset if I sound like I'm in a tin can here. I am having problems with my voice, so I need to make sure that you hear me. We're gonna plant onions today. I've tried doing them this way. I just put my, sorry about that. And see, once I realized they needed more water, okay, they're starting to come up. But the other ones, these are the ones that we planted from those ones that I took from the store-bought onion. So I got some seed. And it says to make them 12 inches apart. Well, in rows, well, we're just going to put a little bit, on one side here and a little bit on the other and see how our luck goes. Oh, heck, I'll probably throw what I'll do is I'll put these around the edge. And I'll put this in the middle, but not all of it. Just some of it, because I can put it in other ones as well. I just want to see if this will work. And the reason why I think it will is because it says full sun. And that's what we're in, is full sun. It's a grow room. So that's what we're going to do. They're very tiny seeds. And so I need to be very careful. I'm going to have to thin them. In about 7 to 14 days, they should come up. And I think it says 2 months. Well, 2 to 3 months. They should be 2 pounds. So that'll be interesting. And the green onions in the middle should be interesting. They'll never form a bulb. They'll always be small like this. But that's what we're going to do. So hold on one moment. This is kind of interesting. Here in a plant stand. Actually in a potted plant. So let me show you the seed. See, they're pretty tiny. A lot of people mix these with sand, but I'm just going to drop them around the edges. We really have to amp up my garden here. We have a lot of catching up to do. Now spring is coming and I'll start doing this outside in a few months. I want to get an earlier start on it on the inside. And I will tell you, it thrilled me to no end to make a burrito and to come in here and get some of my fresh cilantro. Oh, see, these are tiny too. Yeah, these are your bunch onions, like your green onions. So we're just going to put these in the middle here, and you just lightly rake them in. Be careful that you don't have any on your fingers because you're going to cross when you try to rake these in. And I already moistened it pretty well. I'll come by and give it a little bit of a spray here and there. And hopefully by the time I do my update, I'm not sure. If it takes 2 weeks to sprout, maybe not. But in 2 weeks' time, we'll know whether or not this is if it's going to take off. And then we'll know what it's going to do from there. But if these lights will grow a tomato plant, they should be able to grow onions. Never have grown onions from seed, so this is an experiment. That's all I really have for you. You have a lovely day, and I will as well. And hopefully here soon we'll have enough stuff to make some salsa. Bye.